Alright, so I thought this was kind of interesting. You can see this low here after this pullback. When you compare it to the Fear and Greed Index, we got 21st of July. Go back to the Bitcoin chart. 21st of July, marking that low. And we have this move here. We have a little resistance. Go back to the Fear and Greed. 31st of July. '30th of July. Here. Back to the Fear and Greed. 4th of August. That's when we, 5th of August. This is a 3-day chart, so if I went on the daily, it would be a little more defined. So you can see a similarity in the sentiment to the price. Obviously, that's what we would expect. But then you get these highs here, August 24th. Right around the top here before this pullback. So you see we have this low, we got this high, higher low, and then we're topping out here. We're getting resistance around that 70 to 80 level. Same thing here, we got 30th September. We're here 30th September. We started moving again. And then we got 9th of November. Right here we had the top. So it's a similar fractal when we look at this move and pullback. Getting caught in this resistance here, 70 to 80. At our low, we have a little compulsive 2nd of October. We had that little hesitation before we go back up. And then now, where we're at, we've had our low around here, 23rd of January, right here. And we had a little peak here, 9th of February, in Fear and Greed. Let's check the price action. 9th of February, and we have a pause, a little pullback. And we would expect, when we draw this Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to this swing low, we have the 0.382, and that's exactly where we would get resistance. And if you look, go from this swing high to that swing low. Same exact area of resistance. Now, if we can break the 382, confirm it as support like this, we might get another little rally. We got to get above this 50% level on the fib. Around 51,000. That would also correspond to breaking this high, or at least matching it, and we would be above the 21 EMA. If we can confirm support, that would be pretty bullish. I want to go back here, and I want to look at the monthly. So we have this evening star formation, we have kind of an indecision candle housed by two large bodies that just engulf that candle. So we have the green up, indecision, the red down, and we had this reaction. So this is a bearish formation candle pattern. And we had a reaction. We'll see. We really got to get above this 50% and confirm support. We have the RSI, we have a low here, we have a low here. We have a low here in the RSI, and we have a lower low. Price action on the monthly, we have a low here and a higher low. So indicators making lower lows, price action making higher lows. That's kind of like a hidden bullish divergence. So we'll see. That might only be strong enough to create a reaction here, get people excited, and then we could just fold over again and test these lower levels down here. But we got to see what happens. Something to keep an eye on. It looks like this fractal here is playing out as we did here, pull back and up. We tried to get above the 80, it couldn't stay, we couldn't hold it. We'll see if we get some excitement back in, if we can get consolidated on that 70, 80, get above there, hang out in that 80 level, and then continue up. In my opinion, that would be the top there. If we break this and start consolidating up in the 90 area. So I hope everybody's well. Take care of yourselves and be ready. Anything can happen. Opportunities could be coming. It's good to have some cash.